Starting with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, almighty, paramount, gracious, and Lord of the universe. Praise to be Allah, who alone we pray, and praise to be Allah, who alone can help us. Today is Thursday, 7th of May 2020, and today's topic is gender noun. After the completion of this topic, you all will be able to recognize the gender of nouns, identify which is the masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. Gender nouns. Now, first of all, we will try to learn what is gender. So gender is a system of differentiating nouns and pronouns as masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Okay, and normally when we say gender, so we mean that whether someone is male or a female. So basically that is called gender. Like when we are asking or when we want to show that someone is male or female, that means gender. In grammar, gender has been divided into 4 different portions, and we will be learning all of these one by one. Okay, so first of all, we will try to learn masculine gender. So masculine gender is basically a noun or pronoun that refers to a male character or member of a species. Very easy. So every that word which refers to a male character, that will be called a masculine gender. Like here you can see some example. Boy. So why boy is a masculine gender? Because it refers to a male character, because boy is a male, early age of a man, of a male person you can say. Or man or he is a pronoun here, but it is indicating, it is referring to a male person, so we can say that it is a masculine gender. Our brother, bull, ham, loin, actor, king, hero. So all these words refers to male character, and that's why they will be called masculine gender. Here you need to remember, very easy, here is a simple hint for you, that as we know that the word male start from M and the word masculine also start from M. So very easy, just remember the letter M and you will easily remember that yes, masculine gender means okay, a male character, someone who has male characteristics. Then we have feminine gender. So feminine gender is a noun or pronoun that refers to a female character or number of species. Now it's like the first one, it was masculine gender which referred to a male character. Now we have feminine gender which refers to a female character. So someone who has that female characteristics will be called a feminine gender. Like examples can be seen here: girl, woman, she, sister, cow, her, lioness, actress, queen, heroine. So all these words refer to female characteristics. So we can say that these words are feminine, that these are feminine. Now just like the previous one, you have a very helpful hint, and that is like feminine, okay, like the word female, it's also start from F, and feminine also start from M. So feminine basically means okay, someone who has female characteristic. Simply remember the letter F and you will easily remember that yes, feminine means someone who has female characteristics. Now we have common gender. So common gender is basically a noun or pronoun that can either be female or male, which means that okay, it can be either it will be male or it will be female. Just like as you can see here, the example parent. So when I simply say parent, so parent here I mean okay, either father or mother. So I can use the word parent for both. Like the word student, so we all know that both male and female, okay, they are called student, both are student, and this term refers to both of them. Like servant, friend, cousin, member, teacher, they, them. So all these words basically refers to male and female together as a whole. So we can say that common gender will be that gender or that word which refers to both male and female at the same time. So we will call such a word as a common gender. So very easy. Remember that those words, okay, which can be used for both male and female will be called a common gender, or will be the common gender of a noun. And these are some of the examples. So here is a hint for you that if you can use the word to apply to a man and woman, it is a common noun or pronoun. Like if you can use a word for both of them, like the word, okay, parent, the word child, student, all these words. So word like these which you can use for both male and female will be called a common gender of a noun. Then we have the last one, and that is neuter gender. So neuter gender is basically a noun or pronoun that is neither female nor male. It means that those words which we use for things will be called neuter gender. So every that word which refers to things basically will be called neuter gender. So like room, chair, pen, tree, book, star, leg, car, it, paper. So all these words refers to things. And as you can see here, we have a hint for you, and that is that if it is lifeless, it is a neuter gender. So simply as I said that things, so we all know that things are lifeless. So basically those nouns, okay, which name things, okay, will be called neuter gender. So very easy. Let me repeat once again. Every that word, okay, which refers to a male person or a male character will be called masculine gender. Every that word, okay, which refers to a female character will be called feminine gender. Every that character which refers to both either male or female will be called a common gender. And every that word, okay, which refer to lifeless or non-living things will be called neuter gender. And these are some of the examples. So I hope that gender will be clear. Okay, so now you have an exercise for that, and you have almost 12 words, and at the end of each word you are given 4 options. So you need to select that which one is masculine, feminine, neuter or common. So if you have understood what a gender is, what is masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender, so it will be very easy for all of you to identify which gender are these. So read out each one carefully and circle the correct option for that. Then you have another exercise, and that is identifying the gender. So here you are given, you can say genders, and right in front of that you need to write that which gender is that. Like if I say okay duck, so you need to write here that whether a duck is masculine gender, a feminine gender, a common gender or neuter gender. Like you have a word, okay, for example computer, so you need to write in front of that whether computer is okay common gender, it is feminine gender, it is neuter gender, or it is okay which one. This is also another exercise for you. And in the last, okay, you have one more exercise, and that is change the gender. So here once again you are given okay almost 11 words, and here okay at the very beginning you are also given a hint. So you need to write the gender of all these words. So if on this side, if on the left side you are given the word, so if the word is feminine gender, so you need to write okay the masculine gender of that. If that is masculine gender, so you have to write feminine gender of that particular word. So I hope that it will be very clear to all of you. And if you are having any problems, so revise the video, watch it again, listen carefully and make yourself understand. And I hope that it will be then clear and you all will be able to complete the given exercises very easily. So this was the end of our lecture. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.